Hello. I received a call from a customer said that a cooler not keeping temperature reading 50 degree at any temperature setting and the alarm is on all the time. Usually, it is one of two reasons. One is a warning sound that the door is open, or another is that the temperature inside the refrigerator is high. Let's see which one of them is. I just plug in the power. It was disconnected by the customer. Also, it is 79 degree now. As I said earlier, I am pretty sure it is a door switch problem. But just in case, let me double check it. It might be something else. Okay. Let me open the door and check up door switch first. This is a magnetic switch. It is different from a mechanical switch. These days, they all use magnetic switches. Magnetic switches are a bit more expensive, but they are waterproof and durable. Let's see what is the problem. Oh, what is this? This is the magnet. It supposes to be in the doors for magnetic sensor. If you move this magnet to the sensor, the light in the refrigerator turns off and the fan starts to turn after a while. And when it moves away from the sensor again, the light turns on and the fan starts running. Let me do one more time. Turn off. Turn on. Now, let's put it back this magnet in the door with this hot glue. This is really simple. You put the glue around this groove evenly. I am going to put one more time to make sure there is no empty spot. Once you think that you have applied the glue well, and then attach the magnet on it. Press hard and hold for a few seconds. I think Gorilla Glue is really good. Even those who use it for the first time don't have much trouble. Now, I would like to show you one more time how this switch works with any magnet. This is a just regular magnet you can find around you. If you bring it closer to the bottom of the sensor, it detects that the door is closed, turns off the light, and the fin starts working. I think it should be about half-inch close. Otherwise, the sensor couldn't detect magnet. It is off now. It is on. When everything is fine, but still light is on, then you should check door level. Sometimes, the door is sagging and magnet is not close enough, so sensor couldn't detect it. Let's see if it glues well. Well done. Now it is 65 degree after I put magnet back to its original place. Pretty fast enough to cool down. Another reason for the beeping is that the door is not properly closed due to a door spring failure. As you see, I open the door and release it. It closes by itself. Since there is a door spring on this side, the door should close automatically. But if there is a malfunction for some reason, the door does not close well and opens a little. Like this. The result is that there is no magnet under the sensor, so the sensor cannot detect the magnet. Okay, it's been 25 to 30 minutes since I repaired the magnetic switch. Now it is 32 degree. Let me do last final checkup and finish up today. The left side sensor is fine. And the magnet in this door is fine. The one I glue it is strong enough. It is good. Right side of the sensor is good too. The internal temperature is perfect. Thank you for watching today.